Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Philips Series 9000 hair clipper for ultimate precision with up to 400 length settings. It is the HC9450 and it is really a nice clipper for your top hair and your bad purr. Ultimate precision and control of your haircut. Consistent results with precision wheel interface, motorized combs, memory function, and a high performance cutting element. Self-sharpening titanium blades for ultimate durability and long-lasting performance. The durable Pro motor is designed to give more power and boosting the cutting speed for a perfect cut on even the thickest hair. And this automatically. It uses the precision wheel, or you can use it, to precisely select and lock in the length you want. 400 length settings from 0.5 millimeters to 42 millimeters. These are grades from 0 to 13 with 0.1 millimeter precision and 120 minutes runtime of cordless use after a 1 hour charge or use plugged in. You can choose by your own. Really easy peasy. And it is a high quality clipper. And it is a Series 9000. It has a motorized adjustable comb and the color is black silver. And you will get a hair clipper and one up to 7 millimeters comb attachment, one 7 to 24 millimeters comb attachment, and a 24 up to 42 millimeters comb attachment. That means you are ready for every situation on your main cut on your head. Why choose this trimmer? It creates the look all we want for any occasion. These Philips offer the right trimming solution for all what we're going to need. The Philips delivers the optimal trimming experience combining technology with design to enter as to the best result we are going to want every time. Digital touch control with motorized combs. This is the main thing I like really much because it is smart. Yeah. And the engine is smart too. It will go automatically if it is detecting that there is too strong hair. It will automatically set up the turbo. Yeah, well, it's really awesome. And the Philips hair clipper gives us total precision and control of our haircut. With digital swipe, motorized combs, memory function, and a high cutting performance, it is the only clipper that consistently gives the expected results. The motor-powered length setting system easily selects and locks in the preferred length. The engine powers the comb and allows selecting between lengths with a precision of up to 0.1 millimeter. Really awesome, I think. This technology gives us the security of clipping all the time at the desired length and achieving consistent results. And there it is, the digital control with all 400 length settings. The swipe interfaces gives us precise feedback on the selected length. Use the touchscreen to easily swipe through more than 400 length settings. Quickly browse through lengths or slowly go through each small step, and this is possible in 0.1 millimeter steps. And there, the Auto Turbo. Oh, this I like really much. The turbo features automatically boost the speed when reaching thick hair. This allows us to get a perfect effortless cut. And there is a memory function. This smart clipper remembers our last cutting length and can save 3 others for each comb attachment you put it on. Select the preferred length, hold the memory button pressed, and the clipper will immediately memorize our settings. We can do this for 3 different lengths. And the good old titanium blades. I like them. The advanced titanium blades are harder than steel or ultimate durability, and this is for ultimate durability. In addition, the blades are self-sharpening to ensure long-lasting performance and accurate cutting time after time. And you have a dual cut technology. Power through any hair type with a dual cut technology, which combines a double sharpened cutting element with low friction engineering. The cutting element is designed to perform time after time, cutting hair twice as fast. In addition, the blades are self-sharpening to ensure long-lasting performance and accurate cutting. And this all day long. You have to only thing you do is reload it for 1 hour, and then you can count 90 minutes. 90 minutes of cordless use every time if you are reloaded. use with or without cord for flexibility. The powerful lithium an IMH battery lasts up to 90 minutes after on only 1 hour charging time. This is great for ultimate precision. The blades are self-sharpening titanium. The grades are all up to 13. The cutting lengths are 0.5 millimeters to 42 millimeters, and number of lock in cutting lengths are 400. 120 minutes using, 1 hour corded and cordless charging time. You do not have washable blades. You will have, in this case, I bought in storage case 2, but maybe there are some different sets out there on the market. Maybe you have to buy the storage case 2, or you will use it without the storage case, no problem. But the bonus is 3 hair combs, and these 3 hair combs are really helpful to get the right shape and the right cut on your main hair on top. Really awesome. It is easy to use and easy to set up. It has titanium blades, and it has a touch screen on the center of the clipper. And you have a small LCD screen over it, and there you can read the length setup. Really awesome, good quality, nice to use, and nice to perform. Really awesome. And now let's cut some hair. But before we start with clipping, we have to program it. For example, now. Here is the device itself. Oh, it is a really beautiful and good design thing. It will lays good in your hand. Really nice, right and left-handed. Here on the front side, you can see the blade area. This blade area, or the blade itself, you can remove, clean out, and reattach it. The job's done. It's really easy. Then you have a power button to start your device. Here it is. It's really easy. And then you can start with the clipping. On the screen you can see the hair clipper dimensions, and you have 3 combs, and this comb solution is 1 up to 7 millimeters. It's really easy to attach it. Only push it in position and let it rest. Not this way. This is not the right way. Rotate it, and there it is. That is the right decision. Location, and here you can see job's done. Now you can see in the screen there is a 6 millimeter cut, and you can use your fingers to to use the motor inside, the electronic motor, to go up to 7 millimeters and down to 1 millimeters. You can do this fast by swiping over it. You can hold it on the top side to get up, on the bottom side to get down. Keep pressing, and the engine is slow going up and down. That is the same on the bottom side. Okay, now we're going to use it. Here you can see. And if you're swiping, you are faster than it. Here we are. No? Zirk, zirk. That is fast, isn't it? And if you go not so fast over this touch panel, you are able to get in 0.1 millimeter steps to get the right measurement for it. Yeah, this is really awesome. This is an awesome thing, I think, for this device. This is the future on clippers. So next setup is, here you can see, this is not right. This is okay. This is the other thing. This goes from 7 to 24 millimeters. This is for the medium performing on your head. You can see 24 millimeters is the upper thing, and 7 is the bottom cut. So you have each hair clipper dimension, or each length of your hair you are going to reach is here to get with this to this solution. You can use the 3 combs for it. These are comb attachment. So the other one, it's really, don't do this. No, yeah, that is right. This is the long thing. This is for long hair cutting, 24 millimeters up to 42 millimeters. This is for really long hair cutting, 24 millimeters. I'm always using 1 up to 7 millimeters for my short hair cutting. But this is your own choose. What you're going to choose is, if you like a long hair, use this large thing. If you like short hair, you will use 1 up to 7 millimeters, or you can use it without a comb attachment, and then you have I think 0.1 millimeters cut. Yeah. So to set up quickly, there are 3 ways to get through the length settings. Quickly swipe your thumb over or a finger across the touch area to scroll through the length settings quickly. And then slowly swipe your thumbs or a finger across the touch area to scroll through the length settings slowly. Tap on the bottom or the top parts of the touch area to get through the length settings one by one. To scroll through the length settings automatically in step of 0.1 millimeters. Tap and hold the bottom or top parts of the touch area. And now the memory function. The memory allows you to set 3 lengths per comb. Per comb, understand? That means 3 per comb. Wow, that's awesome. To select the memory lengths, press the M button. To switch between memory settings, press the M button. To save a length setting in the memory, press the M button for 2 seconds. Then you get stored this value. And you have a length lock. You can only change the length settings if the appendix is switched off. If you're pushing the power button, then you cannot switch between these setups. Okay, now it's working. Now you cannot handle this comb attachment. So easy it is to get a memory function on it. And here, memory comes back easily. It is now going to number 2. Number 2 was 24 millimeters. So yeah, let's go to the touch thing. Number 3 is 34 millimeters. We stored it before. This is really awesome and easy to use. But the touch of the M is not so sensible. But it's okay. It's only a cutter, yeah? So this is the set of the hair clipper. Now let's perform a haircut with it. It will be a short haircut. Yeah, let's perform it. Wow. So this is a short haircut here. This is a person. Oh, this is long, brown, strong hair. Let's start. We're using a hair clipper and 1 up to 7 millimeter comp attachment, and we're going to use for the main hair on top of it only 1 comp attachment. This is enough for it with 11 millimeters. That means we are going to use not the 1 up to 7 millimeters. We are using the 7 to 24 millimeters comp attachment, and the setup was in the middle area. That means 11 millimeters are we think is the best solution for a short haircut. You can see we are going from the bottom side of the head to the upper side, from the side to side, and we are going through the hair and cut it off the hair. And it's really easy to perform this. Here you can see it's only 1 swipe, the hair is gone. So go all the area of the hair with a clipper. We choose 11 millimeters. You can also use 8 millimeters and the smaller comp attachment, for example, or you can use a higher range up to 24 millimeters for a shortcut. Of course, you are able to get a long cut with the 24 up to 42 millimeters comp attachment. But we are going to use all the head 11 millimeters, and you can see it's really easy to perform. So now at the ears, we are going to use the hair clipper without a comp attachment to get a hard cut here. This is on 0.5 millimeter setting. That means we can use the hair clipper to make a little banding thing on the side. And on the front area, you can see we're going to use the clipper without the comp attachment too, for clipping the eyebrows. This is really easy, as you can see. Swipe the hair a little bit up and then cut them into pieces with the hair clipper immediately. So easy it is to use a hair clipper to get a short and good haircut at your home for yourself. This is really easy to perform, as you can see. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.